Hello my wonderful lazy dancer, welcome to Lazy Dancer Tips. I'm Alessia. I know we need to reactivate everything and especially our belly. So today I've got a super duper quick abs workout ready for you. Nothing to get you scared, it's gonna be intense and it's gonna be quick. So let's start. Let's find a space in your home, lie down, and let's get going. Let's do it. Here we go, let's start. So today we are coming into this position here, nice and tall, coming down straight in. I want you to have this, so stay down here with me while I'm chatting. So yeah, so belly button is going down towards the floor because I want it to be super quick but super intensive and super productive few minutes, yes, that we're gonna work on this. So from here, we are going to lift everything up, yes, good. From there, let go of your hands. Give me the yeah to yourself. And then from here, we're gonna tap on the sides and tap on the opposite foot on the floor, very good. Coming back in the center. And tap on the sides, back in. And again, tap aside, back in, tap aside, back in. Yeah, or you can have the arrow. Keep staying there, come with me. And the arrow, coming in, arrow, and it's almost like we're going for a walk, yeah? But in a very awkward position. Very good. In, breathe, keep holding, breathe, keep holding, breathe, come back, stay. Give yourself a little rest, stay there. Help yourself to stay there, very good. Yeah, good. Find the balance, find a little moment, stay there. Keep on working on those abs. Keep on breathing out and having the belly button trying to reach the floor, very good. And from here, again, fin, yeah, shark fin. We're gonna go, whoop, coming back, whoop, coming back, whoop, coming back, whoop, coming back, come on, whoop, coming back, whoop, coming back, whoop, coming back, whoop, stay there, hold. I'm gonna start trying to roll down nicely, gently onto the floor. I can't because of the microphone and the plant. I didn't quite plan this. Too many plants. All right, from here, we are down onto the floor. We're coming up slightly. Very good. Coming up, don't strain your neck down here. I want you to look up and over there somewhere. Yes, so if you're looking at me, look up over there somewhere. Good. So from here, taking one leg, we're gonna take it down onto the floor. Nice. And then again, changing, very good. And change straight there, change. And again, change. And change, and change, and change. This time we're gonna go tapping, 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 coming back. Relax gently, don't just plonk down, yes? Every time you finish an exercise, relax gently, because otherwise your body remembers the afterwards, yes? Very good. From here, we're gonna come back up here and we're gonna extend. If you can extend, let's extend. Otherwise, if you cannot extend, keep it out here, but still have the same work, yes? Anyone else that wants to go for the full leg in front, long, we're gonna go here, 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 grabbing your ankle or your cuff, just below your cuff, and coming towards your leg. Don't be tempted to just go, especially if you're very flexible, to go, yeah, I'm just gonna take the leg and stretch it wherever. No, we are going towards the leg. Otherwise there's no work, no abs involved. Cheaters. All right, so from here, legs up, ready. coming up. Legs extended, ready to go towards your leg, not the other way around. Ready, and go, towards your leg, towards your leg, towards your leg. Come on, press, 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 press. Keep on going, keep on pointing those feet. Point, 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 point. Come back to center, roll up, very good, very nice. Just to finish off, to have something fun to do, we are coming up onto the side, extending the leg, yeah. From here we're gonna go attitude front and attitude to the side. Yes, that's all. Yes, ready, good. Yeah, have you had your dress rehearsal? Brilliant. So, up, to the side, leg extended. Just, I told you it's gonna be super quick, super effective. From here, ready, you're gonna go attitude front, good, attitude side, and in, and again, front, in, side, in. A few more. Front, in, side, in, front, in, side, in. Good. Swap and roll the other side like a super ballerina. And go out to the side, leg out, ready to go. And go front, in, side, in. Again, front, in, side, in. Again, front, in, side, in, front, in, side, in. Roll down gently, nicely onto your belly to have a little stretch. And breathing in, relaxing again. Up, nice and gentle stretch of the abs. Don't sink into your lower, into your spine, into lumbar spine. Be careful what your vertebrae do. Vertebrae do, lots. Very good. Up again. And down, rolling back onto a sit position or into a pretty position, whatever you prefer. Nice and tall, proud of yourself, with sore abs. You've done it. Very well done. Thanks for joining me.